Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on REALME GT 7T. So first, check the mute button while in a call because sometimes the microphone is muted either in a call or an app. So make sure you haven't actually pressed the mute button. And how to fix it while in a call or using an app, then try and look for the microphone icon on your screen and unmute it if it's on. Now, if this didn't help you, then try and restart your phone. Basically, press the power button, the volume up button, and now slide your finger upwards to restart the phone. So I'll see you guys once the phone has restarted. So now, if this still didn't help you, then what you guys can try is check the app permissions and ensure that the app you're using has the necessary permissions to access the microphone. So go over the settings, now scroll a bit down until you guys see apps. Here go to app management, and for me let's say the app will be the phone. Now go to permissions and try and see if the microphone is in the allowed section and not in the other. So now if this still didn't work, then try unplugging any external devices like Bluetooth or USB-C. So if you have anything connected to your phone, then they might be using the microphone instead of the built-in one. So basically disconnect any Bluetooth devices or USB-C adapters, and if you're using an external microphone, check that it's properly connected because sometimes it just can be connected badly or it won't be connected at all. So unplug and reconnect the external microphone to see if that fixes it. Now if this didn't work, then what you guys can try is cleaning the microphone, and basically any dust debris can block the microphone and cause it to either malfunction or work really bad. So use a small soft brush or compressed air to clean the microphone area, and if this didn't help, then try and look for the software updates. So go over the settings. Now here what you guys can do is go over to the system and update, almost at the bottom. Now go to software update, and here it will check if you have the latest version. So I do have the latest version of the REALME UI. So what you guys can do now is, if you don't have the newest version and an update is available, then download and install it and then restart the phone. So now if nothing else works, then you guys can try and factory reset your phone because sometimes it can solve many deep software issues, but make sure to always back up your data first. So don't leave the system and update, go to backup and reset. Here click backup and migrate, and here you guys can do either local backup or clone the phone to another device. So now click reset phone, erase all data, enter your password if you have one, and click clear. Then your phone will erase everything and will go back to the default settings. So if the issue is still there, then it could be hardware related, so contact REALME support or visit the service center for a professional diagnosis and opinion. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.